production and sales of tiles made from rubber crumbs, often referred to as rubber tiles, offer a sustainable and versatile solution for flooring applications. These tiles are commonly used in various settings such as gyms, playgrounds, outdoor areas, and commercial spaces. Here's an overview of the production and sales process for tiles made from rubber crumbs. The production process begins with sourcing recycled rubber materials, typically from sources like recycled tires or other rubber products. These materials are cleaned, shredded, and processed into rubber crumbs of uniform size. The rubber crumbs are combined with a binding agent, such as polyurethane or other adhesive compounds. This mixture is thoroughly mixed to ensure even distribution of the binding agent throughout the rubber crumbs. The mixed rubber crumb and binding agent are poured into molds of various shapes and sizes, depending on the desired specifications for the tiles. The molds may be pressed or vibrated to compact the mixture and remove any air pockets. The molded tiles are then cured under controlled conditions, typically through heat and pressure, to facilitate the chemical bonding of the rubber crumbs and binding agent. This process ensures that the tiles achieve the desired strength, flexibility, and durability. After curing, the tiles may undergo additional processing such as cutting to size and finishing to achieve smooth edges and uniform surfaces. Surface treatments such as texture application or color coatings may also be applied at this stage, depending on the desired aesthetics and functional requirements of the tiles. Throughout the production process, rigorous quality control measures are implemented to ensure that the tiles meet the required standards for strength, durability, safety, and appearance. This may involve testing samples from each production batch for factors such as compression resistance, impact absorption, slip resistance, and color consistency. Once the tiles have been manufactured and inspected, they are packaged and prepared for distribution. This may involve packaging the tiles in stacks or pallets for bulk orders, or individual sets for retail sales. Manufacturers typically offer customer service and warranty support to address any issues or concerns that may arise post-installation. This may include product troubleshooting, replacement of defective tiles, or assistance with maintenance and care. Overall, the production and sales of tiles made from rubber crumbs involve a combination of material processing, manufacturing, quality control, marketing, and customer support to provide a sustainable and reliable flooring solution for various applications. Good luck!